Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from Central Illinois, where a John Deere 55 EB combine is harvesting soybeans. EB in the model number stands for edible bean. The soybeans in this field are spaced on 38-inch rows, which was a common row spacing during the late 1960s when this classic combine was brand new. During the video, I would like to share with you the 55 EB's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this soybean harvesting action. The Model 55 was John Deere's first self-propelled combine. Introduced in 1947, this 65-bushel machine was primarily used for harvesting small grains. By the 1950s, drying and storage methods had changed, and soybeans and corn became more feasible to harvest with a machine like the 55. The company also added the 50-bushel Model 45 and the 80-bushel 95 during the 1950s to their harvesting lineup. By the early 1960s, self-propelled combines like the John Deere 55 were gaining popularity for harvesting all types of grains across North America. This size combine was quickly replacing tractor-powered pull-type combines and mounted corn pickers. As a result, John Deere began introducing specialty versions of their combines to harvest a variety of crops. A Model 55R, for example, would have been a rice special. The EB, or edible bean 55 that you see working in this video, would have been able to harvest winter wheat, corn, and dry beans such as black turtle soup beans and dark red kidney beans. In 1966, John Deere updated its 5 series of combines, which now included the 45, 55, 95, and 105 models. Up until this time, the rear area where the straw was discharged was rounded, and for model year 1966 through 1969, this area was squared off. The 55 EB that you see working in this video was manufactured from 1966 through 1969 in East Moline, Illinois. By the late 1960s, the Model 55 had greatly increased its harvesting and threshing capabilities. When it was introduced in 1947, it was equipped with 3 straw walkers, and by the final years of production, it was fitted with 4 straw walkers for improved threshing. The combine's bushel capacity increased to 76 bushels, and its engine was rated at 72 horsepower, available as a gasoline and diesel model. The 55 edible bean combine weighs in at 10,098 pounds. The original price tag for a standard 55 combine in the late 1960s was $9,518. A 55R rice special had a price tag of $11,662, and the edible bean 55 had a price tag of $10,323. The difference in prices between the different machines was the components that were added to harvest the specialty crops. Additional options were available for the 55, including a diesel engine, which was $875. The combine that you see working in this video is a gasoline version. The steel cab that you see on this Model 55 EB, if it was equipped with air conditioning, would cost the farmer an additional $1,264. If the cab was ordered without air conditioning, the price tag on that was $693. The Model 55 EB combine harvesting soybeans in this video is equipped with a 13-foot wide John Deere grain platform. This platform had an original price tag of $2,120 when the combine was new in the late 1960s. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the central Illinois soybean field, hearing and seeing, as well as learning about the John Deere 55 EB Combine. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you're still running a 5 Series John Deere Combine on your farm, or if you have great memories of operating one. If you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content featuring classic combines from Big Tractor Power YouTube, continue to watch this video for a few more seconds to the end screen for direct links to those videos. As always, thank you for watching.